Hello everyone, how's everything? I hope you are doing okay. How are you, my students? How's everyone? I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to talk about something very important for grade 7. What the meaning of the adjacent angle and the vertical angle. We have two kinds of the angle, adjacent angle and vertical angle. The first thing, let's start about the vertical angle. Okay, if you have two array like this one, okay, and this array it will be intersect in this point, okay. So that we have here one angle, and there let's call this one, and this one 2, and this one 3, and this one 4. Okay, that we have four angles. If I'm going to ask you what is the relation between the angle number 1 and the angle number 3, angle number 2 and the angle number 4. As you can, as you can, okay, as you can see there, here this angle, here this vertical for this angle, it will be opposite for this vertical for this angle, and also here up. Let me change the color for you. Okay, let's here go to here for this angle, also this angle with this angle. It will be the vertical are opposite for each others. Okay, so that's here one. It will be like vertical. The vertical for this angle, it's vertical. It's also going to vertical or opposite with this angle number 3. So that guys here we call this one angle 1. This is simple for the angle, and angle number 3 are vertical. Okay, so that for number 1 and number 3 they are vertical angle. Okay, so that the vertical angle, they like two X-ray intersect, and when the X-ray when the two X-ray sorry when the two ray intersect, that consists of four angles. This angle 1 and this 3 it will be vertical angle, because here the vertical like this one you are going to call to make it as a lone, draws alone like this one. Here's this angle, and this angle like this one. See, this angle number 3 and this angle number 1, and also same the angle also number 2 and the angle number 4. The vertical for this angle, it's like opposite exactly the vertical for another angle, that we call the 1 and the 3 are vertical angle, and the 1 and the 3 will be equal. Angle 1 and the angle 3 are equals. So that if the angle 1 here like 40 degree, so that also the angle 3 it will be 40 also. Okay, and also the angle 2 if 50 degree, the opposite or the vertical angle another one will be also 50 degrees. Okay, so we are called this one. This is the first thing is here. We are going to talk about the vertical angle. 1 and the 3 will be vertical angle. The vertical angle is the vertical for this angle. It will be also opposite for the vertical of this angle also. Okay. We call this one, as I told you, we call this one vertical angle. Vertical angle. Okay. What about the adjacent angle? For example, if I'm going to draw something like this for you. Okay, and I go to here, make side lengths. What can you see there? And I'm going to call this angle, for example, here A, here B, and here C, and here D. Okay. The first thing I forgot to tell you first, before we started this video, I need to know what the meaning of the angle. The angle is like two X-ray. They are intersect, or just two X-ray. Okay. They are okay. They are They are like combined together in one point, or union together in one point. In this point, we call this one as a vertical. Here, for example, if here A and here B and here C, so that this one we call this one angle here 3, and here ray and here ray, they are combined together in one point. We call this one as a vertical here. And this angle we can call it with a many ways. Okay, we can call this one A angle A B C or C B A. Okay, and we can call this one as angle P. Okay, angle P. So that we can call the angle with like three ways. Okay, angle P, or this one as we called it as English, angle P. Okay, angle P. So that let's come back there for this here. Here, can you tell me the angles there? We have angles there A, B, okay, C, and another angle will be D, D, B, D, B, A, D, B, here. Okay. If you can notice something between the first angle and the second angle here, this is something very important for you. You can found it here. If you are looking at the here, the graphs here P, right? The vertical P for both. For this angle here P and here P, and also there is something it's familiar or similar between them. Also here the side here A B between them, the two angles here between them, the A, the BA, the side for the angle ABC, and also the same side for the angle BA. So that how can we know the adjacent angle? Okay, if you can find the same vertical and there is also side, it will be same for both angles. The vertical it will be same, vertical it will be same here, vertical same, vertical here same for both, and also one side it will be for both angles. Okay, so that's the angles ABC and the another angle ABD. So that's the AB between them. Our the AB also for the angles B and also same for the angles B. Okay, so that we are called this one angle ABC or CBA and another angles DBA or ABD, both are adjacent angle. Okay, both are adjacent angle. Okay, and for example, have something else like this one. Okay, and I did something like this. Okay, or this one, it will be adjacent angle or not? Take a second to think about this one. Here A, here B, and here C, and here D. Yes, of course, it will be adjacent angle. What is the adjacent angle here? Here, check the this side, it will be for both. Okay, for the angle FBD and also the angle DBA, and it is a vertical also for both. So that's the adjacent angle. We have two things, the vertical same, and one side it will be also same. That already we are talking about today, about the adjacent angle and the vertical angle again. Vertical angle, here it will be the vertical for this angle and the vertical this other, they are opposites for each other. Adjacent angle, we have two things to know or to say this one adjacent angle. The first is the vertical for both are same, and also there's one side similar between them. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.